very, very vigilant on what's happening at the moment so that we can get and break away from the bad past and be able to play our role of oversight so that Kenyans get value for the money that is collected from the taxes. Osoro is harassing me, Madam Speaker. And one other thing that is happening, particularly in Bonchana, I think I can speak for the whole country, the healthcare is in a problem. Not a single day goes without somebody coming from Bonchari for a medical bill that has not been paid. NHI is not working. No public hospital is working, at least where I come from. I don't know about the rest of the country. The education is a big problem. Teachers are not paid. The monies that are supposed to go to the schools haven't gone in good time. I have a number of schools in Bonchari that are complaining not having received their monies from the Ministry of Education. So that as we are discussing these matters, Madam Speaker, we take cognizance of these very important sectors, health care, education, and they be resourced appropriately, and the money is released and dispersed in good time so that they can serve our people, our students, so that we have a country that is moving towards economic development and growth. I thank you, Madam Speaker.
The Honourable Member for Moiben, Honourable Professor Barto, I see your card here, or are you not ready? Yeah, and honourable members, like we said, let's keep it short so that more members can be able to contribute. And for those members who've already contributed, if you could kindly pull out your cards so that you can give others an opportunity to tafadhali.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Before I became a member of parliament, I was a teacher, so I know how to keep time. Madam Speaker, I rise on behalf of the members of Moiben constituency to support the motion brought by the chair. And Madam Speaker, in as much as I am supporting, I hope that the taxes the people of Kenya are paying, we are going to feel it in our constituencies. Madam Speaker, we are hoping that we are going to see the strategies which are being used to make sure there is a fair distribution of development